Okay. Dear children, good morning, all of you. Today we will see basic concepts of OOPS. So, what are the basic concepts of OOPS? How can we learn? So, how can we understand easily? That about we will see today. The topic is basic concepts of OOPS. Okay? Yes. First, we know the expansion of OOPS is nothing but object oriented programming structure. Okay? It's nothing but object oriented programming structure is nothing but OOPS. OOPS. In these OOPS concepts, we can list out now what are the number one is a class, number two is an object, number three is an encapsulation, number four is a polymorphism, okay, number five constructor and destructor, okay, and then what? Inheritance. These are basic concepts of OOPS. Class, object, encapsulation, polymorphism, constructor and destructor, inheritance. The final concept, data hiding and data abstraction. Okay, yes. These topics about we will discuss today. In these concepts, first I will come to explore for class. Sir, what is a class? Class is a way to bind the data and its associated function together. Simply, I will tell an example. Class is a way to bind the data and its associated functions together. Then it is called class. Okay, yes. Here another one is an object, or an object is a group of, an object is a group of related data items. An object is a group of related data items. Sir, in this group of related data items, self-sufficient subprograms are combined together. Sir, if you tell any example, sir, what I am saying, fruit. Okay, here mango. Okay, if you want to like a mango, This is one type of fruit. So fruit is a class, mango is a object. That's why every program will mingle with, combined with classes and object. Okay, that's why we'll related. Class is a way to bind the data and its associated function together. An object is a self-sufficient subprogram with specific functional area, but data and data and what? Here in this data, what are the related attributes and status and behavior. How sir? Suppose an example, calculator. Okay, calculator. In this calculator, two things are there. One is state, another one is behavior. Okay, this RAM, this color, this shapes, this is state. The calculator doing addition, subtraction, multiplication. This is behavior. In the state and behavior combined together is an object. Okay, yes. This is about classes and object about detailing. Now can I teach one program within a second? Okay, thank you. Okay, now addition of two numbers or adding two numbers in this method is classes and object. How can we do, sir? In the program, dear children, any program starts with hash symbol. Already we know, but the question is sum of two numbers using classes and object. Okay, yes. These two numbers. First, how can we write here? Any program will start with hash symbol. Hash include IO stream. Okay, yes. Why? Because this is a Dev C++. That's why not necessary for .h. That's why IO stream. And then using namespace. Using name space std. In this process, the class name is simply we call super. Okay, and then open parenthesis. So class is a keyword, super is a class name. Now there are three types of access specifiers are there: private, public, protector. But here we want to write private. In this private area, we will declare a variable. That declaration simply we called integer. Okay, here what? A, comma B, comma C. It should be terminated by semicolon. But in the private access specifiers, okay, void, okay, accept or get anything here. Okay, now see out. Okay, now enter the value of A and B. This keyboard via getting this value C in A and B. It should be terminated by semicolon, but the open braces is closed. So the process is over. The next step in this program, okay, here void compute. Okay, in this compute process, we know A, comma B, comma C. So C equal to A plus B. It should be terminated by semicolon. Again close braces. And then void what? Show or display anything. That is our wish. Show here open braces. Again see out the sum is okay. A plus B is assigned a variable C. Okay, C here close. So in this process open and close. Here also open and close. Here also open and close. But body should be terminated by semicolon. Again listen clearly. Here open and close. Here also open and close. Here also show open and close. The class open. It should be terminated by semicolon. Now the finally what we are doing, sir. Now only we will start integer main. Okay, this is Dev C++. That's why I am introducing integer main. The class name is super. Class name is super. Now we will declare a variable star. Okay, it should be terminated by semicolon. So now star dot will call accept. Okay, it should be terminated by semicolon. Again star dot what? Compute. Star dot compute. Open and close. Again star dot show. Open and close. Okay, here what? Close brace. Okay, what necessary for get ch? Why? Because this is Dev++. So this is a program. But what input it will host? Listen clearly. Here enter the value of A and B. No, that's why the value should be. So in this screen, enter the value of A and B. Okay, yes. So the number is 17 and then 12. So 17 is A, 12 is B. Okay. Now the result, the sum is okay. Okay, the colon. Here also you see this is process is colon. So the result will come. This sum is 29. This is checking for input and output. Okay, I think so you can understand clearly. But again I want a quick review. Listen everybody. First line is hash include iostream.h. In this case, after that using namespace std. Okay, here this class super is a class name. Integer declaration of a data type. A, B, variable private void accept. This is a member function. So getting value, enter the value of A and B. Here C in A and B. Okay, is accept. This is member function. Okay, yes. And then here also compute also member function. It is also one of the member function. And then show also one of the member function. Okay, finally this is object name. Okay, this is class name. Star.accept, star.compute, star.show, close. So enter the value of A and B, 17, 12. This sum is 29. I think so. My dear children, you can understand clearly.